So wait for the bubbles to appear and let them pop.
Have you ever tried ice cream in crepes before? Let's make it today.
First, I'll need 3/4 of a cup of milk. This is half a cup. Oh no, I ran out of milk. I had to get more. Now I have my milk back. I'm going to get my 1/4 cup of milk. This is heavier now. Enough. Now we have to add 3/4 tablespoons of butter. I'm just gonna wing it because I forgot to take the butter out of the fridge earlier today. This is roughly 3 tablespoons. See, it's so hard to cut because I just took it out of the fridge. If I left it out for 1 hour, then it'd be much easier to cut. I'm probably gonna cut it into pieces so it melts faster. I'm going to put the pieces of butter in first. The reason I'm putting the butter along with the milk is because for this recipe, your milk needs to be warm. So I might as well melt my butter along with warming up my milk. I'm going to set it to high, single because the pot is small. It's not big.
1 minute later.
Currently, the butter is starting to melt into the milk. Once the butter is finished melting, I'm going to turn up the heat and pour it into that bowl over there. While the butter and the milk are warming up, I'm going to get some flour. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of flour. The butter is almost finished melting. I'm going to turn the heat off. While we're waiting for the butter to finish melting, I'm going to crack some eggs. For this recipe, you will need 2 eggs. A bad crack. Okay, there are no shells. Okay, now I'm going to put the egg into the egg container, whatever it's called. Time to crack the second egg. No egg fractures, no eggshells. It's fine. Wash my hands. The milk and butter are now ready, so I'm going to pour them in. Hopefully, the butter and milk will not cook the eggs. Now, I'm going to add a tablespoon of pepper. You can add more or less if you want, depending on how much you like sweet stuff.
Yummy. Yummy.
I'm going to mix it with this paddle. I have to turn the heat first, and before I can put in the crepe, I have to get rid of all the water. So I'm going to have 1 scoop and pour it in the middle. This is a crepe. Now the pancakes, I'm going to turn the pan around. Until that you can flip it, you have to wait for bubbles to appear. Then, when most of those bubbles pop, you can flip it. Maybe this is a white pancake? See, it's still white. Maybe I should just flip it? It's a white pancake.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Okay, now I'm gonna flip it. Does this work?
Smells good. I smell butter and milk. Did you smell butter and milk?
Yes. Now, wait 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
3,000 whoop-hoos later.
30 seconds has passed. I'm not going to cook anymore. I'm just going to cook 3. You can put this batter into the fridge for up to 48 hours. Before I eat it, I'm going to make it look good. So I'm going to put ice cream in the middle and blueberries on top. Note, this ice cream just came out of the fridge. 2 big scoops should be enough. Look, the ice cream's melting. So I gotta eat this quick. Blueberries on the top. Now, I'm gonna wrap it up and eat it. I'm gonna fold it basically, not wrap it. I have never eaten crepes like this. Insanely tiny one. Maybe I'll just scoop a little bit of ice cream. No less, a little bit. 1 scoop. Put it in. Let's see if I can make it into a ball. And just eat it 1 bite. Did I hear an explosion?
Yeah, what exploded?
I think the ice cream did.
Okay.
Air.
Or maybe you formed the air pocket in between your crepe and the ice cream.
Squeeze. This one looks like a Twinkie.
What is a Twinkie?
A popular American dessert. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button below. See you next time. Bye!